Hello friends, welcome to today's section on Section 2 and Section 3 of the Indian Railways Signal and Telecommunication Manual. In this lecture, we will understand the hierarchy of S&T officers, the roles of technical staff, and how field maintenance teams are organized in Indian Railways. Officers Overview. In this section, we begin by looking at the overall structure of officers in the S&T Department. Officers are posted at various levels: headquarters, construction units, divisions, and extra-divisional organizations. Their strength, that is, how many officers should be posted in each unit, is always based on the guidelines issued by the Railway Board. Strength of officers. According to manual, the strength of officers in the headquarters of PCSTE, CSTE construction, divisional units, and other specialized S&T organizations must follow Railway Board norms. This ensures uniformity and a proper distribution of manpower across the railway zone. Officer designations. Now let us look at the key designations used in S&T. At the top, we have the Principal Chief Signal and Telecommunication Engineer, or PCSTE. Other important posts include CSC, CCE, CSTE Construction, CSTE Project, CSTE Planning, CSTE Works, and CSTE Design and Drawing. At the divisional level, we have Senior DSTE, DSTE, ESTE, SSTE, and at the junior level, ADSTE or ASTE. These designations may vary slightly depending on whether the officer is posted in open line, construction, project, or headquarters. Hierarchy overview. So the hierarchy begins with the PCSTE at the top, supported by different CSTE level officers for planning, project, and works, and so on. In divisions, the Senior DSTE or DSTE manage all maintenance and day-to-day running of signaling and telecommunication installations. Below them, ADSTE and other officers monitor field execution and maintenance. Introduction to technical staff. Now we move to Section 3, which describes the technical workforce responsible for hands-on signaling and telecommunication maintenance. This includes Senior Section Engineers, SSC, Junior Engineers, JE, Technicians, Helpers, and D&D staff. These teams ensure that signaling installations work safely and reliably. Signal supervisors. Signal supervisors consist of SSC signal in charge, sectional SSC signals, JE signal, SSC or JE at headquarters, and SSC stores. Generally, the duties of an SSC and JE are the same, unless the context especially assigns additional responsibility to SSC. Roles and responsibilities. The sectional SSC or JE is directly responsible for installation, upkeep, and maintenance in their allotted section. The SSC signal in charge supervises multiple sections and reports to the ADSTE or DSTE. Some technical supervisors are posted in headquarters or construction organization to assist officers in planning, checking documents, and handling specialized duties. Note that if the divisional officer in a higher grade, they are designated senior DSTE. Staff under SSC JE. Each SSC JE is supported by signal technicians, maintenance gangs, special gangs for heavy or complex work, helpers and staff for store and office management. They may also be provided with trolleys, motor trolleys, or utility vehicles depending on the section. Manpower support is essential because signaling maintenance often requires physical work, movement of equipment, and emergency response. Strength of staff. The number of SSCs, JEs, technicians, and helpers in a division is determined by a railway board's yardstick. If no yardstick is available, the PCST sets a suitable one based on several factors such as level of signaling technology, yard size, train density, operational importance of the section. This ensures that staff strength matches the workload. Drawing office organization. Next we have the drawing and design section. SSC or JE D&D staff handle all technical drawings and design documentation for signaling. They support both open line and construction units, and their work is crucial for error-free design and installation. Responsibilities of drawing office. Drawing office is responsible for preparing highly technical documents such as interlocking plans, control tables, panel or VDU diagrams, wiring diagrams and logic circuits, earthing layouts and installation diagrams. Smaller drawing sessions may also exist within divisions for location plans, cable route layouts, bonding plans, and similar field level designs. Finally, we have supporting staff categories, which includes signal technicians, signal maintainers, assistants S&T or helpers. These staff members perform essential groundwork and are the backbone of the department, especially for daily maintenance, inspections, and fault repairs. To summarize, officers manage planning, administration, and overall supervision. Technical supervisors and technicians handle maintenance and field execution. Drawing officers prepare essential technical documents that ensure safe and correct signaling installations. Understanding this organizational structure helps each member know their role and responsibilities clearly. Okay, thank you.